The next collection type is dictionary. Dictionary is unordered collection of key value pairs. Why it is unordered means in the memory location, it will be stored in different location. Each object will be saved in different location. To access the dictionary elements, you have to use the key. If you consider a regular dictionary which we use, it contains word and meaning, word and value. To access the particular value, you use the word. Similar way, the dictionary contains key value pairs. Here also we are having different methods to perform operations like creating dictionary, adding new entry, deleting, accessing particular element, or overriding particular element, removing last element, or removing first element, comparing. These are the different operations we have. Let me show you here. I want to create simple dictionary first, then I want to create some little complex dictionary. States is my dictionary name. It contains key value pair, right? You have to specify the key type and the value type as well. This is key type, this is value type. Here I am going to give AP and the value is, let's say, district and some pin code. Anantapur is the key, value is integer, some pin code. Guntur is value, key and value is 657585 something. Here if you see there are three different pairs. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Here you have to specify key name as well as value name, value type, key type and value type. If you do not specify, you have to use the values. Then it will be considered as dictionary of string and integer. You can see dictionary of string and integer when you do not specify any data type here. Even if you specify the same thing, you are supposed to specify string and integer. Sometimes you can have string and some real-time objects as value. We'll see that example as well. Now I want to find out number of key value pairs in the dictionary. Number of pairs. The dictionary also collection of objects, like collection class, right? It also has a count method. If you want to add a new element, you can add that. There is no index. By using index, you cannot access states of 0, which does not work actually, because this is substitute after integer of index, whereas dictionaries does not contain any index, so it is giving error, no exact matches in the cells substitute. You have to use If you want to get the first element, states dot first. If you want to get the last element, there is no last element. Drop last we do not have last element, and new dictionary equal to states, new dictionary double equal to states, comparing two dictionaries are same, else not matching. And if you want to add a new element to the dictionary, to add the new element to the dictionary means we are modifying the dictionary. So make sure that it is a variable, not the constant. States for particular key, it is East Godavari. I want to assign a value. I can assign the value there, which gives you the error because we specified that the value is of type integer. If you assign int string, it won't take. Now print the updated dictionary. I want to remove particular element, particular pair in the dictionary. By using value, you cannot remove. By using only key, only you can perform the operations here. Whereas in arrays, you can use the index to perform the operations. Here, you can use the key to perform the operation. States remove value for key. The key is I want to remove Kadapa and print if you want to remove all we have. States key for value. Let's see if we have key for value. Index for key, remove value for key. We have there is no key for value. Finally, చెప్పండి.
So in dictionary, like డిక్షనరీలో చాలా కీస్ అండ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, మల్టిపుల్ పేర్స్ అండ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయి. సో పర్టికులర్ మనకి దీనికి ఏం వాల్యూ ఉందని చూడడానికి మనం ఎట్లా చూస్తాము? ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్గా ఇప్పుడు ఎర్రలో అంటే మన ఇండెక్స్ వచ్చేసి లేకపోతే పర్టికులర్ నుంచి ఇలా చేస్తాం. బట్ డిక్షనరీలో ఇలా చాలా డిక్షనరీస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు పర్టికులర్ మనకి ఆ డిక్షనరీ ఉన్న డిక్షనరీలో మనకు కావాల్సిన డిక్షనరీ అవైలబుల్ ఉందా, కీ వాల్యూ ఉందా, క్యూ ఉందా లేదని చూడడానికి మనం ఎలా చూస్తాం?
ఇలా చూస్తాం మనం యాక్చువల్గా. I want to find out the value for the Anantapur. Okay, by using dictionary of Anantapur, it gives you the key. Okay, the other way is value equal to states value for key. Value for key is removed. Okay, you have to use the this way only. You have to use the subscripted way only. Earlier in the older versions, we used to have a method called value for key. Here we do not have value for key. You can directly use the subscripted way. There you mention the key. If it contains the value, it gives you the value. Otherwise, it gives you the nil. I will show you here. Nil means this could be either string or sorry. Here in our case, this could be integer or integer optional. If you integer, it won't accept it. See, the output is the value is you get integer optional. Anantapur, for Anantapur, there might be a value or nil, so it is expecting integer optional. Clear? Me doubt?
క్లియర్ అయింది సార్.
ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే ఇంకా వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్, యూ కెనాట్ హ్యావ్ ద డూప్లికేట్ కీస్. హియర్ ఐఎమ్ హ్యావింగ్ అనంతపూర్, అగైన్ హియర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ అనంతపూర్. The values can be duplicate but not the keys. I am using same value for Kadapa and Anantapur, and same keys with different values also I can have. When you mention same keys, it won't accept. See the output, it won't accept in the sense it will simply ignore. What happened to my score? Let me put on the page. That's cool. The third collection is sets. In mathematics, we are having sets, right? Like intersection. Similarly, here also we are having sets. The difference between array and sets.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Is it clear
Your
now?
voice is. Okay.
The third collection is sets. Set is unordered collection of similar data type elements. It is again unordered collection. There are three different collection of types. One is array, which is the ordered collection. Next one is the dictionary, which is unordered collection. Third one is sets, which is again unordered collection of similar data type elements. You cannot have dissimilar elements, and you cannot also have the duplicate elements. Whereas in arrays, you can have the duplicate values. Whereas in dictionaries, you can have the duplicate values, but not the duplicate keys. Whereas in sets, you cannot have the duplicate values. Array contains index to refer the particular element. Dictionaries contains keys to refer the particular element. Whereas set does not contain any element or any key or any index to refer the particular element. Set is a collection of similar data type unique values, and these are stored in undefined order. These are the different operations we can perform creating sets, finding the number of elements in a set by using count, comparing sets by using double equal to, accessing sets element. You cannot access the particular element in set. If you want to access any element, you have to access the all elements. Otherwise, you cannot access single element, because the set element does not contain any key or any index. Checking the existence of a particular element by using contains, creating a set from the array. Array is also a collection, right? From array, you can create a set. Checking empty is empty by using is empty, you can check array is empty, dictionary is empty, or set is empty. Inserting an element in a set, removing an element from a string, from a set, performing set operations, and removing all objects. These are the various methods you can perform, various operations you can perform on the sets. Here I am creating set a set. I am simply giving values here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Z. I am assigning. Let B set equal to A set, and I am finding out the number of elements by using count. I am comparing by using double equal to. For checking existence, I am using contains. We are having the same methods in string. String is also a collection actually internally. String is also a collection. So on top of string, you can use the count method. On top of array, you can use the count method. On top of dictionary set also you can use the count method. Similarly, contains is also same. Comparison also same. Insert, if you want to insert any element, you can insert. And is empty is one check you can perform on strings, arrays, dictionaries, and sets to check whether the given collection object is empty or not. To insert, we are having insert here. There is no index or there is no value, there is no key. In case of array, to insert any element, we have to use the index. In case of dictionary, you have to have the key. Here, there is no key and there is no index because set elements does not have any index or any key. And removing particular element, you have to use the object name here to remove all, and you can use the sort for each loop to iterate through the collection of that is set, and intersection the set operations. Intersection means if there are two sets, intersection is common elements. Exclusive OR means not similar elements, basically it gives you the unique elements, which removes the common elements. Here union is A plus B, subtraction is A minus B. These are the 4 different operations we perform, but in real time we don't use all these things. Most of the time we use array and dictionaries only. Strings as usual. These are the operations here. I'm having 2 sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Subtract. When you subtract A minus B, you will simply get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are removed and 7, 8 are there in the B, which are ignored. Union. When you make union, it clubs together and removes the duplicate elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Intersection, which are common elements. 4, 5, 6 is common here. 4, 5, 6 is common in the second. Exclusive OR, which removes the common elements. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6 are removed. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 has come output. This is what all about sets. Yeah. As I told you, the dictionary is not allowing duplicate keys. Dictionary letter contains duplicate keys. Okay, this is the error which we have got. So it is proven that dictionary does not allow duplicate keys, where you can have the duplicate values. 516161 is duplicate values you can have, whereas duplicate keys you cannot have. See here, for Anandpur, I am trying to fetch the value which is printed nil. Means for Anandpur there is no value. For Anandpur there is a value. We is supposed to get the value, but not sure why it is removed, because we have used to remove all. Now we see for Anandpur, to get the value for the particular key, you can use the subscripted way, where you get the value. Okay, here if you see, it is giving me optional. It may or may not contain value. Here also optional. If you see, optional is printed here. Any doubts in dictionary? We'll go to the sets. Yes, set. I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just comment the dictionaries. First, I'll just check count. Number of elements in a set. How to get it? A set dot count. Count gives you the number of elements in a set. Then I want to compare. Let B set equal to A set. A set double equal to B set matches. It prints matches because these two are same. I want to check. I want to add new element. To add the new element, it should be variable, right? That a set dot append. Here I'm going to add 7. I'm going to add 8, and I want to iterate through the set a set element in a set. This is one way of iterating through set element a set element. The other way is for each also we can use a set dot for each. It is giving you integer. Why it is giving integer? Since our set is integer type. If you have string based set, you can use the you can use the string here. You also get by default a string. A set element. I want to access the particular element. You cannot access the particular element, or you can use the any even we do not have any method now. Any object. We used to have any object, but it is not available. And what other operations we have? You can perform the set operations like union, intersection, subtract, exclusive or, and I want to remove set and see what are the different methods it has. Append contents of sequence. I am giving 1, 3, 5. Print a set. Finally, we are printing the set. See the result. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. It is not supposed to. One moment. This is set, right? One more moment. I want to do just heterogeneous collection of cannot be found any how to use. Does it all? Let's see what it says. Set up any type and here we are storing sets different types. If you give any also, it is not taken. As we told, it can hold only similar data values, not dissimilar values. Similar in the sense only integers you can have, or only strings you can have, but not the collection of strings and the integers. value of set does not contain sorry, we made a mistake actually. Yeah, that is why I'm thinking why it is accepted. Actually, set does not hold duplicate elements, actually, unique values. That is the reason why it is coming to double one. Actually, we just given as set, but this is square braces, right? It is considering as array. That is why we are having these methods, and even we see the duplicate element 135 is printed at the end. Actually, set does not allow duplicate elements as per the definition. And set does not have the method we are having. What is the method we have in the set? Add object. Yes, set. Insert. Insert. Insert that is 7. Insert that is 8. Okay. It is not append, it is insert. But there is no index here. You can simply insert the values. Append, where append, not append, we are having something like insert from collection. Insert new member, and we are having, we can create set from the array that is there. Let my array. Let my new set. Set of sequence. It is my array. That's it. That's my new set. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the count, it is showing 6. Because though you give the duplicate elements, the set simply ignores those values. Whenever you are printing, if you see, let me print that print a set here. Insert 7, 8. Yes. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we see here, so count is 6, and then matches is printed. Then 7, 8 we have, and I'm printing the set. So it is printed 2, 3, 4, 1, 8, 6, 5, 7. If you see, this is even not in the order. Set is unordered collection of similar elements, which is again unique elements. Here we are inserting 2 ones and 2 twos, but only taken the single element, single 1 and single 2. And the order is also not in order. We have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is printed 2, 3, 4, 1, 8, 6, 5, 7. This is unordered collection. For comparing, we can use the double equal to. For inserting, you can use the insert method. For printing, I'm printing is set here. We have printed 7, 8 also printed. To iterate through the collection, that is set. These are the two different ways we can do. Let me differentiate that. To create a set from the array, this is where you can create set from the array. If set contains duplicate elements, it simply ignores. If you see here, the order got changed 8, 5, 1, 7, 3 because the elements will be saved in different locations. When we try to access them randomly, it will fetch and display. That is the reason it is not in the sequence, even if you run again. Here, if you see, the duplicate elements are removed. We are having 5 6s. The duplicate elements got removed. See what else we have. Nice set dot capacity. We have contents to check contents. Which a particular element is existing or not. You can use the contents count to identify the number of elements. Encode index, a filter first index of. Insert, we have new number. Intersection is empty to check whether the collection is empty or not. Is subset of first. Proper remove what, remove last, remove what. It is expecting set index, I'm not sure. Okay, you can check this method actually. Please do check. Remove what? Remove numbers, you need to give the integer which will be removed. Remove first we have. Even the remove first will remove any element randomly. And union to club together. First. This first. This. Let's see what it is.
సో మళ్ళీ మీటింగ్ ఉందా? మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ ఉందా? 1 minute less than.
మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. Yeah, it has given first. We are trying to access the first. It gave you the 5. It is simply randomly picking one element. Even if you run it again and see the difference, it won't give you the